Kitty, I love you.
I'm sure we could all use a pick-me-up as quarantine gets longer and longer. So let's say hi to some cats. Hi, Tracker. Hi, Zane. Oh. Good morning, Tundra. Hi, Pichu. Hi. Good morning, Archer. Hi, River. Hi, Grumpy Con. Good morning, Juba. Good morning, Turk. Where you going? What you doing? Good morning, Raina.
What's happening? Oh, look, I have a glass of milk and a shot glass, and somehow all the liquid in this glass fits in this glass. Look, all of it. What in the hell? What's happening?
Blood, double kill, triple kill, quadra kill, pentakill, ace, killing spree, rampage, unstoppable, godlike, legendary.
Cooter, I love you.
Olive, I have to tell you something. You're adopted.
The reason some cats don't like dogs is because dogs are really unpredictable and they move too abruptly, and it actually breaks the cat's inner algorithm. Cats like being in boxes because it makes them feel safe. They're covered on all sides and they think that you can't see them, but they can see you. Cats don't think of the person who feeds them as their master. They're just the feeder. If you want your cat to think of you as a master, you actually have to train it. And cats can be trained, but the problem is that humans can be trained even better, and the cat usually wins.
And the water's on a little bit. Don't freak out about it. You might get some on you, but that's gonna be okay.
You have a friend? Yeah? Who's down there? Hello! Who is that?
People have been saying that like my cat has a huge limp when he walks and that I should have taken her to the vet months ago, and like I feel like such a bad pet owner for not noticing this. Until now, he's missing a leg.
I came to this strange world hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. But since I came here, felt the joy and the fear, finding myself making every possible mistake.
So I adopted these two cats, and they're both very cute. One of them has a really sweet meow, and one of them sounds like she's been smoking for the past 50 years.
Cat hierarchy is simple. Whoever is placed higher is in charge. So if your cat's house is above your bed, they think they're in charge of you. If your cat's ever looking at you and then slowly closes their eyes while still making eye contact, that's their way of giving you a kiss. And if you do it back, they might just do it again. Believe it or not, but cats actually evolved the meow to communicate with us humans, and they don't use it with other groups of cats. And if they emphasize the O in meow, that means that something's urgent, they want something from you. If they emphasize the E, it's more pleasant, kind of like a greeting.
You want to eat? No, it's not time. You just ate.
Can take a shower. I want to take a shower. Oh, I'm sorry.
And Sir Pounce. It's Mother's Day. Be nice. Yeah. Yeah, be nice.
We're talking Teletubbies, Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and motherfucking Puss.
So one of my favorite things to do is to give enrichment to the animals. So today it's just normal paper bags and some cinnamon. And they love rolling in it. Let's see what Scout thinks. He's like, I don't know about this. They like crushing it and rubbing all over it. Tundra just died on it. What are you doing? Look at that foot. Con is too good for my enrichment, right? Yep. River is hunting and squishing. Zane got an egg carton instead of a bag, and I think he loves it.
Cooter. I love you.
Hello, hello. I'm not where I'm supposed to be.
Hey, yo, Cooter. When I say Hillshire, you say Hillshire.
So I saw my cat outside, and I brought him in. But if that's my cat,
Who the fuck is this? Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Coming up the middle, free safety, gotta get it go. Steps up, shake and bake, jumps over the defenders to pick up the first. Watch this. This is a freak play. Oh, no game. No way.
I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake. I'm so slithery and sneaky because I'm a snake.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Oh, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Who's next?
We have to go. We have to go. We have to go to the vet. We have to go. We have to go.
So if your dog's ever barking and you want them to stop, don't just yell at them and say no, because they're actually going to think that you're barking with them. Instead, try to do one big loud clap. Whenever your dog puts their paw on you, that's actually their way of petting you. So I've talked about how dogs can't feel guilt, but they can actually experience jealousy. And it happens whenever like you're rewarding or like giving a lot of attention to another dog and not like giving it to them. So if you don't already know, I actually have a YouTube channel. My newest video is Time Travel Real? I'm gonna post again soon. If you want to check it out, it's linked in my bio.
Does anyone else have a cat that walks the same path every day to where there's marks in the carpet?
Oh my god, what? That's a whole cat. Am I gonna be on TikTok?
Claw is our master. Claw chooses who will go and who will stay. I have been chosen. Farewell, my friends.
Good morning, Tracker. Good morning, Forest. Good morning, Quill. Good morning, Archer. Oh, scratchy, 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 scratchy. You boy. Good morning, Scout. Good morning, Turk. Good morning, Raina. Oh, all the purrs today. All the purrs. Good morning, Pichu and Mesa. Oh, no need to get saucy. Good morning, Juba. Good morning, Tundra. My old girl. Good morning, Con. Yeah, grumpy as always, I know. Good morning, Alfalfa. What's he doing? You sniffing? Oh, that's scary.